Although they're not sharing this last hula with all of you, but we want to always end our ho'omaiki, our time, to share our hula with everyone who's worked hard. And I've been really blessed to have several kumu hula in my life. As I shared with you, I uniki'd under kahakulele hua hanu'u sani ching halau na Mamo ua na hulu. But I also I had several kumus. I can't name them all. But I also had another kumu named Palakamatos from Hula Hālau o Kamuela, and Kuneva Mok, who I actually took the honor of being Miss Aloha Hula in 2000. Oh, did I say that normally? I don't say that out loud. Shame on you. Pretend you didn't hear that. That was, yeah, don't look at me like that. I know. You wasn't even thought of yet. Okay, so, but this hula was shared to me by actually a kumu that was gonna uniki me, and I was in the process of training with her. And she fell ill and passed not very long after. And her name was Auntie Allah, or Leina Allah Haile. And she taught this hula to many of the kumu and haumana here on Oahu a great many years ago. I want to even say it was like 2016 maybe. And it was at a time when a lot of the hakaka was happening up at Mauna Kea. But this hula, why I'm sharing it with my students and why I want to share it with you is, it's called Hoʻi Piko, and it's called to return to the center. And return to the center can mean so many things to all of us, yeah? On a daily basis, we go through a lot of stresses with work and school for them and home for us and just traffic. And sometimes we got a Hoʻi Piko, and that could mean just hanuha, just taking in that time to breathe. It could mean to pikai or hi'uvai in the water and just cleanse yourself and get all that junkiness off of you. Sometimes we cannot even do that, and so it means to take a longer shower, lock the door, tell your kids watch TV or do something until you can have a real shower. You know, parents, you know what I mean, right? Usually it's a quick one, but sometimes it's a shower like that. Okay, sometimes it's, I don't know, going to do something you've never done before, a yoga class or whatever that might be. But this is always a message I like to send out to everybody, that sometimes we got a Hoʻi Piko, and it could be a simple thing as getting a spam musubi and sitting under a tree on a Kamaʻāina Sunday and being with all of you, whatever it might be, right? So we ask you to always be grateful for who you are and where you are, and we leave you with our aloha through this hula called Hoʻi Piko. You're gonna see that they only do their feet, and that's for a reason. We want to bring things back to when it wasn't so much all the motions and all the things. It was just strong feet work and feet in the aina. Yeah. So this is Hoʻi Piko. Heala. Heala e ala ho'i, ho'i ka piko e. Hoe hui ka papa a ka aina, amiho ka honua e. Amiho ka honua e. Heala e ala ho'i, ho'i ka piko e. Hoe hui ka papa a ka aina, amiho ka honua e. Amiho ka honua e. He ala ho'i, ho'i ka piko e. Hoe hui ka papa a ka aina, amiho ka honua e. Amiho ka honua e. Hei noa no Hoʻi Piko. Mahalo nui from me beautiful day. Mahalo. Huli. Hoʻi.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our OPO and our Kiki. Along the Mamo, Kealamailani, and Kumu Hula. And our Miss Solo Hula, my favorite hula dancer in all the land. TeHani